During 2 half-days, 51 students from Grenoble INP FELMA and Grenoble École de Management worked on the digital passport of the NucleoCard, a programmable electronic card. What university are you from?
I come from the Federal University of Santa Catarina, on a southern Brazilian city of Florianópolis.
Why did you choose the ACI program?
I've always liked electronics, especially integrated electronics. Sadly, a field that is very undervalued in Brazil. And when I was applying for the Brafitec program...
What is the Brafitec program? The Brafitec program enables French engineering schools and Brazilian universities to establish agreements for scientific collaboration, student and teacher exchanges in the fields of engineering.
And I was reading the possible programs. SCI jumped out to me as literally my dream program to study. I am right now quite literally in the best place on the world to study what I love the most.
How would you describe the Sustainable Electronics event to another student?
It was a set of seminars and interactive presentations tackling a very promising strategy to minimize the environmental impact of the current technological and economical landscape.
What do you think was the highlight of the workshop?
Working with my fellow colleagues was something. It was very interesting to have the experience to work with colleagues from very multicultural, different backgrounds, all the while still having the same common ground of not being from France.
What have you learned that you would like to develop further in your future career?
This workshop and the Kaleidoscope Week.
The Kaleidoscope Week. During 1 week, all the students of Grenoble INP UGA took part in educational activities on the themes of ethics, transition, interculturality, etc.
Both made me more aware of the environmental impacts of infrastructure. For example, we can reduce waste by not putting lots of memory on our devices and using the cloud. But we have to remember that the cloud is someone else's computer, which still consumes lots of energy. So that's something I would be interested in further developing in one way or another.
Did the exchanges with the experts influence your vision of electronics?
They did. They give me a more general view of the field, and not to think only about the impact of a single chip, but the entire infrastructure needed to fabricate it, transport it, utilize it, and then discarded it. And it's very interesting to think about how concepts like circular economy could be influential in the design process.